Hey guys, welcome back. In this particular video, we will continue with banking technology part 2. So, in our previous video, we discussed number of questions. I hope you already watched that video. If not, please go and watch that one. Okay. Guys, the only request is please do like and do share this session with your friends. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Okay. First question on your screen, please quickly go through the question and try to answer. So, question is generally based on IMPS, immediate payment services, okay, and you have to identify the incorrect one. So, which of the following is an incorrect statement regarding IMPS? So, IMPS, which is stand for immediate payment services, which is correct one. IMPS work on real-time fund transfer. Again, this is correct one. Okay. So whenever you transfer fund from one account to another, so it generally happen on real-time basis. Okay. And the services of IMPS, which is available on 24 into 7 round the clock. Again, correct statement. So what will be your correct answer? None the above is incorrect regarding IMPS. Okay. So option E is the right answer for this particular one. So IMPS basically immediate payment services. It was launched in 2010 and this was the first services available in India which generally work on around the clock system that time. Now RTGS, this NEFT, so every tools that generally work on round the clock, but it was the first one. Okay. Next question on your screen, guys, about NEFT. So, which of the following is incorrect statement regarding NEFT? So, NEFT, which is stand for National Electronic Fund Transfer. Okay. So, NEFT stand for National Electronic Fund Transfer. NEFT is a countrywide electronic fund transfer system for sending money from one account to another one, which is again correct statement. Indo-Nepal remittance facility is a cross-border remittance scheme to transfer fund from India to Nepal. Again, this is correct one. There was an MOU signed between the RBI and the Central Bank of Nepal. So under this one, Nepali citizen, they can also transfer money from India to Nepal. Okay, a remitter can transfer fund up to okay. So this is the incorrect statement. It should be 50,000 maximum permissible amount to Nepal. So it should be 50,000. So that's why option D is incorrect with regard to NEFT and this Indo-Nepal remittance services. Okay, so it is 50,000. So it is 50,000. Please do remember this one. Next one. Which of the following is incorrect about RTGS, real-time gross settlement? Okay, so you have to identify the incorrect statement about RTGS. So RTGS, which is a stand for real-time gross settlement, correct? RTGS is a fund transfer system where the transfer of money take place from one bank to another on real time and gross basis. Okay, so like NEFT system is generally work on deferred net settlement system where basically the settlement that generally happen on half-hourly basis or in batches. But in case of RTGS and IMPFs, the transaction that happen on real time basis. Okay, the minimum amount to be remitted through RTGS is 1 lakh rupees, which is incorrect. It should be 2 lakh rupees. Okay. RTGS available 24 into 7, which is correct one. Okay. And with effective from 1st July 2019, Reserve Bank of India has waived the processing charges levied on RTGS. This is also correct statement. Okay. So statement C is incorrect about RTGS, so real time gross settlement. I hope you remember these particular facts. We earlier in our previous video we talk about RTGS. So the minimum limit under RTGS is 2 lakh rupees and maximum there is no limit. Okay, next one. Which of the following is incorrect about BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money? Okay, so Bharat Interface for Money is the abbreviation for BHIM application. BHIM is UPI based payment interface that allow real time fund transfer. Again, this is correct one. BHIM is an application that let you make simple, easy, and quick transactions by using UPI platform, Unified Payment Interface platform. A user can send 1 lakh rupees per transaction and a maximum is 5 lakh rupees per day. So statement D is incorrect here. So 1 lakh, you can send 1 lakh per transaction, or even the per day limit is also 1 lakh rupees. Okay. So you can do 10 transaction of 10,000, or you can do one transaction of 1 lakh. So day limit is now 1 lakh rupees, or the per transaction maximum limit is again 1 lakh rupees. Okay, so option D is incorrect about Bharat interface for money, which is Bheem application. Okay, so please do remember this one. So per transaction or per day limit is same. Previously it was like, initially it was 20,000, and then government of India, they increased it to 40,000. Now it is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, next one. Which of the following statement is incorrect about MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Recognition Code? Okay, so MICR, I hope like when you see your checkbook, so there are two major code. One is IFSC and another one is MICR. MICR, that basically used for the clearing purpose. Okay, and it is mentioned on check. So it is a 9-digit code. First 3 digit that denote to the bank. Then we have a branch. Then we have city code. Okay. So MICR stand for Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. It is a code located on the bottom of check, which is correct. It is 11 digit. It is not 11 digit, guys. It is 9 digit. Okay, a code printed on the magnetic ink. The MICR code is also printed on first page of bank account. This is also correct. Okay, so option C is incorrect. IFSC is 11 digit code. MICR is only 9 digit numeric code. Okay, so 9 digit code. MICR, we can identify bank, branch and city code by using this MICR. Okay, next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect about IFSC? Okay, so Indian Financial System Code. So IFSC, you have to identify the incorrect one, right? So IFSC stand for Indian Financial System Code. It is 11 digit code, which is correct one. IFSC is assigned by RBI to identify every bank branch uniquely that is participating in NEFT system. This is also correct. The code is used by electronic payment system applications such as RTGS, NEFT, CFMS. So whenever you do RTGS, NEFT to any other bank account, so you need IFSC code for the verification purpose. Okay, the first part of the first four alphabet character represent the bank branch. So this is an incorrect statement. Okay, it generally represent to bank name, not branch. Okay, so it is 11 digit alphanumeric code. First 4 digit that generally represent to bank name. Like let's say if your bank is State Bank of India, so it is SBIN. If it is ICICI, so it is ICICI. Okay, if it is PNB, so it is PUNB. Okay, so first 4 digit that generally represent to bank branch, sorry, bank name. Then fifth one is 0. Then we have bank branch. Okay, so we have three categories: bank name, 0, and 0 is a special character, and the final 6 one is that generally represent to bank branch. Okay, so please do remember this one. Next one, promissory note is defined under which section of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881? So Negotiable Instrument Act that deal with negotiable instruments like promissory note, bill of exchange, check, and others. Okay. So if you talk about the promissory note, so it comes under Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. So Section 4, promissory note. Section 5, it is Section 5 is bill of exchange, and Section 6, it is defined as check. So check is defined under Section 6, and bill of exchange Section 5, and promissory note under Section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Okay, next one. Check is defined under which section? So I just told you. So what will be a correct answer? Option A. Under Section 6 of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881. Right? So check is a negotiable instrument. Next one. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So what will be your correct answer? So NPCI stand for National Corporation of India, which is correct. NPCI is an umbrella organization for operating retail payment and settlement in India. Again, this is correct one. It was initiated by RBI and IBA. Again, this is correct one. Okay, so it was an initiative of IBA and RBI. It, along with 10 sponsor or promoters, it work under the provision of Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. Again, this is correct. Initially, there were five. No, not five. There were 10 core promoter of NPCI. Okay. So nowadays we have more than 64 promoters of NPCI. But that time in 2008, it was there was 10 core promoters of NPCI. Okay, and it was established under Payment and Settlement System Act 2007. So these were the 10 core promoters that time. Okay, let's move forward. Next question. Which of the following statement is are incorrect about NETC, National Electronic Toll Collection? I hope you guys heard about FASTag system. So that FASTag is generally come under NETC, okay, National Electronic Toll Collection. So you have to identify the incorrect statement about NETC. So NETC stand for National Electronic Toll Collection, which is correct. It is developed by NPCI, again correct. It is developed to meet the electronic tolling requirements, again correct. FASTag is radio frequency identification sticker affixed with the vehicles, again this is correct. So what will be your correct answer? None of the above. So all statement which are given about NETC are correct. Okay, and this is very important one, and this is one of the most latest instrument or product launched by NPCI, and which generally make our journey quite easier. Okay, so whenever you pass any toll and if you have FASTag, so it is easy like that. That is easily, that toll amount is easily detected from your account. Okay, and you can recharge FASTag by using any bank account. Next question, guys. Which of the following statement is incorrect about NEFT? So you have to identify incorrect statement with regard to NEFT. Okay, we already done with this question. Okay, so this is the incorrect statement. So it should be 50,000, and we discussed this particular question earlier. Okay, next one. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding RTGS? This question is also discussed. So, okay, there are some repetition. So the minimum amount remitted through RTGS is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, we already are done with these particular question. I hope you remember these questions. Okay. Next question. Bhim is also done. So Bhim per transaction is 1 lakh. Okay, so there are some copy paste issue. So now it is per day or per transaction limit is same 1 lakh rupees. MICR we also done with this one. So it is a 9-digit code, not 11-digit code. It is a 9-digit code. Okay, we already discussed this question too. IFSC. Okay, this is also done, right? So first, the incorrect statement is the first part of first 4 alphabet character representing to bank branch, not branch. It is bank name. Okay, so option E will be right answer for this particular one. Okay, and negotiable why this is repetition. Okay, we'll quickly go through these one. Promissory note comes under section 4 of Negotiable Instrument Act, and check that comes under section 6. Okay, NPCI is this was the incorrect statement. It is 10. So hope you remember this one. We'll quickly go. This is also done. Now the new question. So what does MICR stand for? So MICR stand for what? So what will be the correct answer? Magnetic Ink Character Recognition. So magnetic ink character recognition code, it is a 9-digit numeric code, which is you will find on your checkbook. Okay, so if you go this particular one, so we have like bank code, branch code, city code and all. Okay, PSS Act, that is Payment and Settlement System Act 2007, was set up by RBI, which received the assent of President on 20th of December 2007. It came into effective from 12th of August 2008. Okay, so option B will be right answer for this particular question. Okay, so we already read about the PSS Act 2007 with the help of different questions, but this question was different. Okay, as per the section as per which section of PSS Act 2007, no person other than RBI can operate or commence a payment system unless authorized by RBI. So this payment system or the entities which generally work as payment system, so this is comes under RBI, or RBI can give license to these entities. So this is defined under section 4 of PSS Act 2007. So as per the section 4 of PSS Act 2007, so RBI have the single right, and even he can issue license to some parties. Okay, so this section is very important. Please do remember this. So section 4 of PSS Act 2007 state that no person other than the Reserve Bank of India can operate or commence a payment system unless authorized by RBI. So let's say if you have any company like Phone Pay, Paytm, so they have given license by RBI. Okay, so that is the case. Next one, which section of PSS Act 2007 empower RBI collect authorization fee while granting authorization? Okay, so let's say RBI give license to Phone Pay, so they'll charge some amount. So that this is generally defined under which section? So section 7 of PSS Act 2007. Again, this is very important question. Huh? So many times examiner they generally ask question based on these section. Okay, so section 7 of PSS Act 2007 empower RBI to collect authorization fee while granting license. So if RBI is giving license to any entity, so he'll charge something. So that is generally defined under section 7 of PSS Act 2007, right? Next one, which organization is known as an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement in India? So what will be your correct answer? So your answer will be NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So National Payment Corporation of India, it was an initiative of RBA as well as IBA with 10 core promoters that time in 2008. Okay, so it is generally known as an umbrella organization because like nowadays whatever you use for payment like UPI, BBPS, FASTag, these all comes under the one umbrella, that is NPCI. So these are the product of NPCI only. Next one, NPCI was founded by, so what will be a correct answer? RBI and IBA along with 10 core promoters. Okay, so RBI and IBA will be correct answer for this one, and it was founded as per the provision of Payment and Settlement System Act 2007, and it is registered under Companies Act 2013. Okay. Initially, there were how many core promoters of NPCI? So this is again very simple question. Your answer will be 10. So there were 10 core promoters of NPCI. These are like State Bank of India, PNB, Canara, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, ICICI Limited, SDFC, Citibank, and SDFC. So, sorry, HSBC. So, these were the 10 core promoters that time. Next one. Which of the following statement is incorrect regarding CBS? CBS stands for Core Banking Solution. So, this online banking platform, like you can withdraw money from your account from anywhere in India. Let's say you can use ATM of any state or in any other area and all. So this all everything ATM, online banking, branch banking, this is based on CBS, core banking solution. It was introduced in 2010 in Indian banking system. So CBS core banking solution. CBS is defined as a back-end system that process banking transaction across the various branches. Internet banking, phone banking is part of CBS. ATM and automated teller machine and POS, point of sale, are part of CBS, again correct. So none of the above is incorrect about CBS. All statement A, B, C, D, all are correct about core banking solution. Okay, so please do remember this one. So guys, I already did a video on risk in banking system, or risk in like risk management in banking system, or MCQs based on Basel risk, different type of risk. So this video is already live. Please do watch. If you have any query related to any point, so do mention in comment section. I hope you guys are enjoying these MCQ session, but my only advice is ki first go for the concept video. First study that particular concept video, and once you get confidence, then you can go for the practice session. Very soon I'll come with a Telegram group where you can also you can download the PDFs of theory as well as MCQs. Okay. The only request is, if you're liking these particular videos, please do share with your friends, and do like the video. And if you're new to my channel, so please do subscribe. Okay. So it will be I will be very grateful if you'll share with your friends, or you'll subscribe my channel. Okay. So I'll see you with one new video very soon. So till that time, take care. So have a nice day and stay tuned. Thank you.